Hi! In front of me is Motorola G14 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access gestures. Over here. Now click on one-handed mode, and if you are using Tricky's navigation, scroll all the way down. Then click on gray sweater next to one-handed mode shortcut. Following that, select OK in the pop-up. Then tap on Home button. Hold this little accessibility button and place it wherever you want to. When you're done, to access one-handed mode, click on the button. As you can see, one-handed mode is on. To go back, you can click on the same shortcut. Tap on this area at the top, or simply swipe up. In order to disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the same sweater one more time. If you are using gestures now, you can always tap on this sweater instead next to use one-handed mode, and then swipe down from the button of your screen to access it. You can go back the same way by swiping up or by clicking on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode, click on the same sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!